today for a free consultation and start getting back to living. 1-800-800-8543.
You want to learn how to drive? What the fuck are you doing?
With McDivitt Law Firm. Free legal advice. Wednesday, July 21st at 8 a.m. right here on the Kilo Morning Show. McDivitt.
Well, go right ahead, you fuck. What the fuck are you doing?
See you then.
See you then.
It should be 9:36 now. It's Kilo's Morning Show.
Hi, would you like to find your gas pedal? Thank you. Well, that was an amazing stop. Future organ donor. That was a highly intelligent turn.
26.
Oh, this motherfucker. That wasn't red at all, dude. Not at all. Really, you fucking sack of shit. Oh, double sacks of shit. Fucking outstanding. The fuck are you doing, you?
Don't forget, that went off his brain record child of the state. You can check that one out if you haven't heard
Oh,
yet.
fuck
So
you
just want to get
doing?
down in your ears. What's up? It's Emily Nix. Happy
fuck
Tuesday.
is that bullshit? That was fucking intelligent, you dipshit. Fucking hell. Braking for you. Your initial slowdown. Wrong lane, smart guy.